Strong words tonight from the bench in U.S. District Court in Minneapolis. A federal judge calling a gang leader one of the instigators in what has become a health and safety crisis. Prosecutors believe Montez Brown is the first gang member to distribute illegal fentanyl in the city. And this afternoon, he was sentenced to the maximum allowed under federal law. In a story you're seeing first on 5 tonight, Jay Coles gives us an inside look at what the judge calls the gang wars in Minneapolis.
Federal prosecutors showed these photos of Montez Brown to support his guilty plea to racketeering conspiracy charges, along with illegal drug and gun trafficking. Brown was arrested a year ago with nearly 10,000 fentanyl pills, a machine gun and a handgun with switches, and a stack of money. Prosecutors told the court Brown is a top leader in the Highs gang, which created an open-air drug market along West Broadway in North Minneapolis.
Everyone in Minnesota should be aware of the harm that these gangs are inflicting on our communities.
Prosecutors say Brown is believed to be the first gang member to bring fentanyl to Minneapolis for illegal distribution. It's a drug the Minnesota Health Department blames for 92% of the more than 1,000 opioid-involved deaths across the state in 2022.
And the volume of fentanyl that these defendants have brought to Minnesota is extraordinary.
From the bench, federal judge Nancy Brazel said, quote, gangs are a public health crisis and gang wars have not only caused exponential trauma on the north side, but across all of Minneapolis, and it's time to stop it. Brown's gang, called the Highs, cover an area north of West Broadway, and the Lows, the south side of the avenue. Prosecutors say Brown encouraged younger gang members to carry out shootings against the rival Lows.
If you take on this kind of activity, fentanyl, shooting, firearms, trafficking, you're going to face serious federal prison time.
U.S. Attorney for Minnesota Andy Lugar says the judge's remarks calling it exponential trauma is not overstated.
We've been in the community talking to residents, talking to community leaders who are desperate for the kind of peace that they deserve.
Now, prior to sentencing, Brown told the judge he's changed over the past year. He's been in jail awaiting sentencing, and he apologized to the court, seeking a lighter sentence. But in the end, the judge, Kevin, imposed the maximum, as you mentioned, 19 and a half years in prison.
But again, the feds believe Brown was the first to bring fentanyl to
That's
the
what they
city.
said in open court. They said they believe he's the first. And afterward, Lugar told me they're continuing this. He said they're going to, quote, double down on all gangs.
Okay, Jay Coles reporting. Thank you.